Hello and welcome back. This is the second part of my video about loneliness, or maybe it's not even about loneliness. Maybe it's about thoughts and feelings in general. Maybe it's about happiness. And in the first part, I was explaining a little bit how we generate feelings of loneliness and where it comes from. And so in this video, I would like to give you my 7 tips, I think it's 7, on how to be more happy within yourself and feel less lonely, basically. So how can you help yourself to be a more happy and fulfilled person? How can you go on that playful and interesting journey of finding the way you would feel happy? Happy can be so many different things for so many different people at different stages in their life. What could your very personal happy look and feel like? Become curious about yourself. That would be, I think, my first tip. Become curious, open, and courageous enough to join yourself on your personal way to happiness. It's a process, and it begins with you. So how can you begin, and where? Here's already my second tip. I invite you to start with becoming more aware of what it is that you are thinking on a daily basis, and just observe how this is influencing the way you feel during the day, in one direction or another. You will find how easy it can be to get yourself really low just by imagining the worst stuff possible. Yet it can be just as easy in the opposite way. And I challenge you to play with that. Please comment below when you have played with that and tell me all about your experiences. I'm really curious. So if you would like to feel better, it can be just as easy as remembering a time when you felt super happy. Maybe in your last holidays at some beautiful beach, or maybe you were hiking in the mountains. Maybe you celebrated a huge event or a success, a milestone at some point in your life. Remember that and dive into your memories fully. How did it feel like? What did you see? Who was around you? Did you smell or taste something? Do your best just to relive that moment and notice how that can change the way you feel right now. Third tip is, when you feel an uncomfortable feeling arising inside of you sometime during the day, maybe that old feeling of loneliness, or maybe sadness, or anxiety, whatever it is, you can deliberately catch yourself. I know it's not easy in the beginning, but you get better at it. And then when you catch yourself, you say, stop, and then taking a deep breath in and just asking yourself, what the hell was I just thinking that makes me feel like this right now? Thoughts, especially when they are so familiar to us, they just pass by so quickly that we might not even notice them. They become more or less automated. You could then take a step back and explore what thoughts led to that feeling, and are they actually true? My fourth tip would be the opposite of what I just said. What about allowing yourself to feel a certain way? Not just neglecting and dismissing everything. What about sitting with it for a while and taking it in fully? What will happen then, I wonder? And how long could you actually feel that way without any change in thoughts and feelings? I invite you to really explore and discover that in a playful way for yourself. And while you're at it, just do me a favor. Do not judge yourself. This wouldn't help much. Yet if you catch yourself judging yourself anyhow, don't beat yourself up for that either. Just be gentle and kind. My fifth tip is be patient with yourself. Remind yourself that you are just living and learning. There's no such thing as a manual for life, and you are just exploring, playing, discovering. And you may discover things that you don't really like about yourself that much. And that is, and here comes tip number 6, as easy as this is to embrace our sunny sides, learn to accept and embrace the more shadowy side of yourself. You are a whole person and absolutely okay right now, just as you are. That doesn't mean you're stuck with that. Of course, you can change and improve as long as you live. But for now, just become your best friend, your best own friend, your own best friend. And for now, just become your own best friend. This alone will get you a very long way. And by the way, tip number 7, last but not least, I can help with that. If you want some support on your way, I'm looking forward to actually being on your side. Just get in touch with me. You can easily book a first strategy call for free. We have a chat, we get to know each other a little bit, and then we can find out how to best help you specifically. So I hope this video was useful to you. And if it was, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel, hitting the bell to stay updated about every new upload in the future. It helps this channel to grow. It helps this channel to grow, and I can it helps what is it? It helps this channel to grow, and I can make more videos to support you even from afar. I hope this video was useful for you, and if it was, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel.
Hitting the bell to stay updated about every new upload in the future. It helps this channel to grow, and I can make more videos to support you even from afar.
And for now, have a lovely day. Bye for now.